Okay, this is on the Avanti. This is how it came in, amongst all the other things I've been covering with you. These hoses right here are the cooler hoses for the transmission. You see that they are held on with baling wire wrapped around the starter, and that baling wire, see, if it got back a little ways, it'd short out against the battery cable, comes directly from the battery down, and we'd have a big fire, wouldn't we? Then when I'm under here, I'm noticing these are the spark plug wires right here. You see, he wrapped them down and around the exhaust pipe there, and then brought them back up under. I mean, they got to go underneath the way the exhaust manifolds are made. Got to go underneath and then go to the spark plugs, but not like that. And he just got them all tangled up, a big old tangled up mess, you know. Just threw them on there and good to go. So I got a mess here. I got to figure out a way to get this. See how these are against the exhaust. There is a guard there on the exhaust for heat shield. Not a whole lot of air gap between there though, so it's going to get pretty hot, and they are just jabbed up against this exhaust. So I got to get that all freed up and then fix that problem. And we probably need to take a look at this electrical here too, see what we got going. But what a mess. I just thought I'd share that with you. Don't be that guy. Don't do this makeshift work like this, because at the least it'll leave you walking, and at the worst it'll destroy your car. All right, thanks for watching.